Instapayz. I found a lot of people trying to make money online, and they tried different programs. They tried, they even spent a lot of money trying to make money online. So to those people, I would like to say now is time to make real money online. Maybe you are a retired dad, maybe you are the housewife, maybe you are unemployed, or maybe you need a part-time job. Instapayz is guaranteed to make you money. Why I'm saying that, and another person may ask, what is Instapayz? Instapayz is a software that automates making money on Instagram, even if you don't have Instagram. Why I'm saying even if you don't have Instagram, because everything is automated. You don't need to upload your photos, and this software was done thoroughly. It took 2 years of work to complete this software. So if you have tried many things or many programs to make money online and you have failed, now this is an opportunity for you to make money on autopilot, because this software works on autopilot. You don't have to sweat, you don't have to work hard like other affiliate programs or any other online programs you tried before. This is a loophole that few know about so far. So I would like to ask you to make sure that you use this golden opportunity to change your financial status. Plus, this software is not expensive. Maybe you spend hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars trying to find something that is going to make you a living or money online. But this software is very affordable. Plus, you'll be saving a lot of money with the link below. So what you get with this software, you get a push button software that is going to activate a hack that will make you money hourly. I'm talking about big money here, bro. Though that money you make it on autopilot. I'm not talking about cents you get by watching those adverts on that website of yours. I'm not talking about a small amount of money you get by taking those surveys that pays monthly. I'm talking about money you make every hour, every day. I'm talking about $100 per hour, $150 per hour, $500 per hour. There are people who are making 1,000 US dollars a day. There are people who are making 2,000, 3,000, even 5,000 a day. So why don't you use this golden opportunity? Why don't you try this system? It doesn't cost a fortune. For step-by-step and more details, please click in the link below and follow all the instructions. Make sure you have this tool to change your life. Your 2022, I promise, will never be the same.